What do you do in a crisis? Let's have some fun over this. Hi, good morning and thank you for inviting me. In a crisis, first things first, we got to try and figure out what really happened. So we have to underestimate the crisis. Why should we tell anyone it's a crisis? Are you serious? That's how you manage a crisis? Yes. If we say it's a crisis, the media will be prowling all over us, and our reputation built over years will be damaged in minutes. Cut. That was a rehearsal. Reputation, years to build, minutes to lose. That's what we're going to talk about. Okay, Krishna, my question is, I think attending another crisis management course is a waste of time and money. Bring it on, Krishna. Give us your side of the story. It's not a waste of time and money. Can you remember all the things that happened yesterday? Without training regularly, you can say the wrong things to the media, public, stakeholders, and it will cost you millions. But I've attended a crisis management workshop before. Why should I attend another one? Training is your only chance to get ahead of the curve. You may have learned about crisis management. What's important is to remember and know what you say when the media wants to know the truth. So the key thing here is practice. The goal of training and retraining is to provide the practical knowledge so that you will understand and take the right action in a crisis.